In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to block audio and video calls from verified users on x.com, formerly known as Twitter, so you can control who can reach you more easily. This is a simple privacy setting, and once you change it, you can stop verified users from being able to place audio or video calls to you through the app. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open x.com or the Twitter app and make sure you're signed into the account where you want to change this setting. On the left navigation bar, look for More and click it to open the full menu. This is where x.com keeps a lot of the extra account options, including settings and privacy controls. Once the menu expands, click Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the main account settings area where you can manage your privacy, security, and communication preferences. From there, look for Privacy and Safety and click on it. This section contains a lot of the controls that help you decide how other people can interact with your account. Next, find Chat and click it. Inside the chat settings, you'll see the options related to messaging and calling permissions. Look for the section labeled Allow Audio and Video Calls From. This is where x.com lets you choose who can contact you through calls. Now, find verified users in that section and toggle it off. Once you switch it off, verified users will no longer be allowed to make audio or video calls to your account. That means you've successfully blocked that type of call access from verified users, and that's it. You've now changed your x.com call privacy settings and restricted audio and video calls from verified users. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.